1. A precious gift. Hi children. A gift is an item presented for doing a good deed. It is given to someone without the expectation of payment. When anyone gets good marks in the exams, he will get gifts from teachers and they will appreciate him. By playing well in the games, one can get gifts. By helping and serving others, one will get their blessings and gifts. So, we must help others and make them happy by doing good deeds. In this lesson, you will learn about the story called A Precious Gift.
1. A precious gift. Picture reading. Look at the following pictures. Can you identify them? Think and tell the same to your teacher. Sita, Mrs. Lakshmi, a boy's leg tied with a tin, a classroom, a bird, Sita taking a gift. Grammatical awareness. Proper nouns.
Proper nouns are the names of particular persons, animals, places, or things. A proper noun is always written with a capital letter.
Names of persons. Ramu is a good boy. Well. Naresh is a naughty boy. Lahari is a clever girl. Names of places. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. My brother lives in Vijayawada. India is my country. Kashmir is the coolest place. Names of animals. Tiger is a wild animal. Elephant is a big animal. Children like Pingu. Giraffe is a tall animal. Names of things. Maruti is the best car in India. My brother rides Hero cycle. Godavari is the longest river in South India. Everest is the highest peak in the world. A precious gift. Reading.
Sita was a little girl. She was 9 years old. She was studying in Ravi Public School. Sita was very anxious to meet her friends after the long summer vacation.
How did you enjoy your vacation, Lalita? I went to Delhi on a trip and enjoyed it. What about you, Saranya? I did not go to anywhere, but I went to Sita's house and we both enjoyed it. The school bell rings. Good morning, children. Sit down. I am Lakshmi. Ma'am, are you your new English teacher? Yes, I love discipline and good children. Every year, I select one child and a gift will be given to that child. Wow, what is the gift for? Ma'am, is it for writing neatly? Likita, you are wrong. It's for good reading. Guess, I will tell you later. Sita goes home and reveals everything to her mother. I can read, write and sing well, mummy, but there are others who can do them better than I. Sita, don't worry. The gift might be for good manners and behavior. Be good and behave properly and the gift will be yours. Sita was good and well mannered, but sometimes the teacher was angry with her. The next morning, I will never get the gift, thinking to herself. Suddenly, oh, a puppy with a wounded leg. She takes it to school and gives it to Mrs. Lakshmi. Where do you find this, Sita? On the road, ma'am. First nurse it and put bandage to it, and in a few days it will be ready to leave. After a few days, Sita brought the dog to school and it was ready to go. Ma'am, shall I send it away now? Leave it. As the dog went away, Sita felt very sad. A few days later, Sita was going to school on the way. Hey, let's tie that mad boy to a tin. They tied him up. Aren't you half ashamed to tie the boy's leg to an empty tin? Sita, what are you doing here? Ma'am, those boys have tied up the leg of that boy to this tin and he is crying. Come, let's go there. I will untie the boy's leg in just a minute. Sita is very happy. Do you love children, Sita? Very much, ma'am. I have 2 kids at home. Come and play with them. Mrs. Lakshmi did not speak about Sita's visit to her home any more, and Sita also did not ask about it. On the last day of the term, is this the gift? Yes, it is for me. No. You would not get the prize, Sita. Don't wish for it. Sita feels very sad. All the children tease Sita. The gift goes to Sita. What? To Sita? Oh no.
Why did you give it to her, ma'am?
Because I wanted to give the gift to the one who has helping nature with good behavior and manners very well. Sita comes and take it. Takes it and opens. Oh, a beautiful toy puppy. From today, I will call her Chipsy. Thank you, ma'am. Indeed, a good name, Sita. Go and show it to your mom. Sita goes home happily with her little toy puppy. Can you guess what happened to me, Mom? Mom, I have got the gift. Mom, it's a cute toy puppy that my teacher gave me. I named it Chipsy. Didn't I tell you that you would get it and now you have got it? Mom, isn't it very precious gift for me? Yes, my child. Say the right way. Listening and speaking. A. This section is aimed at improving the student's oral communication. Encourage the student to take up the role play. Anil, where is your brother today?
He has gone to his friend's house for a birthday party.
How did he go?
Our mother has taken him.
When will she bring him back?
She will finish her shopping and then bring him back.
Stress the right way. Listening and speaking. B. This section is aimed at improving the student's pronunciation. Stress the capital letters in the words. Vacation. Anxious. Precious. Summer. Gypsy. Suddenly. Cute. Wailing. Spell and tell. Glossary. C. Know the meanings of the words. Vacation, holidays. Precious, most valuable. Wailing, a long loud cry. Cute, attractive. Tease, irritate. Reveal, make known. Anxious, eager to know. bandage, strip of cloth. Discipline, order maintained. Proper, suitable, appropriate.
Write the right way. Comprehension. 1. Answer the following question. What did Mrs. Lakshmi, the teacher, promise to give? Answer. Mrs. Lakshmi, the teacher,
Promised
to give a gift for behaving nicely. 2. What did Sita tell to her mother? Was she sure of getting the gift? Answer. Sita told her mother that she can read, write and sing well, but there are others who can do them better than her. No, she was not sure of getting the gift. 3. Whom did Sita find on the road? What did she do? Answer. She found a puppy with a wounded leg on the road. She took it to school. 4. Sita saw a boy with a tin tied to his leg. What did she do? Who had actually tied a tin to the boy's leg? Answer. Sita saw a boy with a tin tied to his leg. She scolded the children who tied the boy's leg. Some other children had actually tied a tin to the boy's leg. 5. Finally, who got the precious gift? Why did the teacher give it to her? Answer. Finally, Sita got the precious gift. The teacher gave it to her because Sita has helping nature with good behavior and manners. 6. What was the gift given by the teacher? Did Sita like it? Answer. The teacher gave a toy puppy as gift to Sita. Yes, Sita liked it very much and named it Gypsy.
Vocabulary. 2. Watch and match. Match the following appropriately. The first one is done for you. Grammar. 3. Fill and drill. Fill in the blanks with proper nouns. The first one is done for you. Grammar. 4. Tick and tick. Pick out the proper nouns and tick them. The first one is done for you. Writing. 5. Look at the following family tree. Identify the relation and write the same in the space provided. C. Take my help. The first one is done for you.